Hey guys, I want to show you how to add inline images in your discussion posts. So here we are, an example discussion topic. You've already created something very smart in response, and you want to add an image. So you look over here and you see this landscape. Click that. Click my computer. Click upload. I'm going to pick this Dolly Parton pic here. Once it's uploaded, I'll just click add. It's going to ask me about alternative text. That's for the sight impaired. It's not necessary, but it's a really good habit to form if you're going to be doing any web work in your future. Do not click this image is decorative. Don't do that. Just leave it as is. Click OK. And the image should be loaded into your discussion thread. To resize the image, just pull on a corner. Now, what happens if you're on your phone or in a smaller window? Sometimes this landscape goes away. Okay, so we'll click on the plus sign, and there it is. Insert image, my computer, upload, select a pic, add our alternative text. Do not click this image is decorative. Click OK. And there we have it, folks. Your image is in there alongside your text. There are some other formatting options that you can play with, but for now, that's going to get your images right into your discussions. So thanks for watching.